Do you own Tesla shares and want to know more about the future of your investment? If so, you should see this video. Don't miss a single minute of the action and keep watching to find out. Elon Musk's massive hint to buyers of Tesla shares. It must have seemed like a far-fetched fantasy not too long ago to have automobiles run by artificial intelligence. A large number of investors have put their money into Tesla stocks in the expectation of becoming wealthy. On April 20th, 2022, Tesla announced record quarterly earnings of $3.3 billion, beating Wall Street forecasts as revenue jumped 81% year over year to $18.8 billion. Today's video explains exactly how and why Elon Musk's massive hint to Tesla stockholders is plausible. Tesla, headquartered in Austin, Texas, is an American automaker and clean energy firm. Tesla is a company that creates electric automobiles, solar panels, solar roof tiles, and other solar energy products and services. Tesla Motors was established in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning to produce electric vehicles. Elon Musk, co-founder of PayPal, invested heavily in Tesla before becoming its CEO. In 2008, Tesla introduced the world to the Roadster, its first all-electric vehicle. Tesla Inc. designs, develops, manufactures, leases, and sells electric automobiles and energy generation and storage systems in the United States and other areas of the world. The business is divided into two main divisions: automobiles and power generation and storage. The automotive segment offers electric vehicles as well as cells. Credits for meeting auto regulations. Through its website, stores, galleries, and a network of channel partners, the energy generation and storage segment designs, manufactures, installs, sells, and leases solar energy generation and energy storage products and related services to residential, commercial, industrial, and utility customers. In addition to providing warranty coverage and a variety of financing choices for solar consumers, this division also provides maintenance and repair services to the company's energy product clientele. The U.S. media reports. Shares of Tesla increased by over 700% that year. In 2010, Tesla offered the public 13.3 million shares at a price of $17 each, giving the company a market valuation of over $800 billion at the time. Tesla Motors is the most valuable automaker in the world. It is substantially larger than other car manufacturers like Toyota Motor, Honda Motor, and General Motors combined. Following Tesla's lead, several corporations began producing electric vehicles with reduced emissions. However, Tesla remains unrivaled in the United States. The corporation predicted $31.5 billion in revenue for 2020, but actual results may be lower. In light of its present market valuation of roughly $800 billion, investors have every motive to keep pouring in. Tesla has rapidly expanded to become the largest automaker on the planet, and it appears to be maintaining its dominant position in the sector. According to reports, Elon Musk is attempting to drop a Tesla margin loan in exchange for $6 billion in preferred equity to purchase Twitter. Ed Ludlow thinks this is unprecedented, as it would reduce a $12 billion margin loan to nothing. Since he had just completed a $7.1 billion round of new equity financing, he went on to say that sources had told him to expect $6 billion in new equity funding. The $12.5 billion margin loan was reduced to the $6.5 billion level. Musk has frequently joked about his lack of liquid assets, despite the fact that a large portion of his wealth is collateralized by his Tesla shares. Some think he did it to better his own position, and others say the terms of the margin loan agreement are similar to those of other stock transactions. The jargon and the characters are equally captivating. Morgan Stanley is a name that has been bandied about in connection with this, although it has not yet been proven. The preferred equity and the most recent $6 billion tranche might have a 20-year term and 14% interest, according to sources. Let's pretend Elon Musk was successful in raising capital and didn't have to worry about maintaining a profit. In such case, having Musk's support will reassure many Tesla stockholders. It could be reasonable to expect a substantial monetary inflow. Some reports have said that Musk is planning to acquire Twitter and has been able to get funding of up to $10 billion. Elon Musk is well known for his ability to not only solve problems, but also to create value in both the public and private sectors. Investors line up because of this to take part in his many projects. Some are alleged to have witnessed a plan to triple the company's worth within 5 to 8 years, and a lot of investors want to be engaged in this fantastic chance. If this is the case, a time may come when Musk does not require a buffer. It's likely that Musk made a few phone calls to investors, as he claimed he could do in 1999. Investors may be the ones to give him a ring at this time. Considering the feedback, consider buying Tesla stock if you haven't already. Do you think it's something you could enjoy doing? Feel free to share your thoughts in the space provided below. In reference to the clip again, Twitter user Stephen McKeon mentioned some of Elon Musk's noteworthy remarks from the Financial Times interview. Even if the global economy were 10 times larger, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, batteries, and electric transportation would be able to keep it running. Within the same tweet, he stated in parentheses that this should come as no surprise to anyone who has done the math. He continued the discussion in another post, saying that most people either haven't done the math or don't think Tesla is serious about, or has a chance to greatly increase the world economy by massively expanding useful labor via increasing intelligent humanoid robots. This Twitter thread was replied to by Elon Musk himself, indicating that it is literally true even 100 times is doable. Musk's flippant remarks could be taken seriously or represent a serious concept he is mulling about, so it's important to keep that in mind. Basically, Musk never says anything casually. Everything he says is well considered and intended for public consumption. Tesla's stated goal of creating millions of new jobs around the world is one way of looking at it. Although there may be hiccups along the way, Bond is aware that Tesla has the basic structure in place for smart humanoid robots and has addressed vision perception planning. Eventually, Tesla's vision of humanoid robots controlling the transportation market will likely come to fruition. It's a really significant deal that EVs are the wave of the future for the auto industry. What evidence exists for the claim that Tesla can create a functional, intelligent humanoid robot? Please keep in mind that the numbers provided here are merely examples and not predictions. Assuming that Tesla sells the Tesla board hardware for $25,000 and a 25% sales profit on the hardware, the Artificial General Intelligence or AGI inscription or complete self-driving subscription monthly will be $200, and the gross margin is at 85%. If Tesla sells 5,000 robots in 2025, the company will make a gross profit of about $40 million. The more Tesla is able to ramp up production, the larger the bot fleet will become, and the more people who will be willing to pay for Tesla's AGI. Therefore, Tesla's monthly AGI software subscriptions and hardware sales will generate a gross profit of around $1.5 trillion. As was previously indicated, Tesla's goal with Tesla bots is to significantly increase the size of the global economy. Given that there is always a chance that this won't occur, of course it is, to completion, the amount of funding, combined with Tesla's existing technological prowess, makes it possible that this project will be realized. Assuming Tesla is successful in building a functional humanoid robot, it's capable of working 2 or even 3 consecutive shifts in a day. When these humanoid robots achieve human-level intelligence or even surpass it, they will be able to do the same amount of work in half the time, if not less. With this knowledge and information in hand, investors who are in a position to purchase Tesla shares should do so immediately. That is, whether they think it will yield a positive return. After making a thorough analysis of this industry, remember that investing in stocks comes with certain dangers but good profit. Keep in mind that you need to do your homework before depositing your hard-earned money anywhere. If you enjoyed this video, you may also be interested in our other uploads.